here's the main road right here. Oh, maybe 100 feet or so. This is a good little road. And you can see out there on the other side of the shipping container in the distance, actually a UPS truck turning around down there, a dark truck. Yeah, looks like UPS. And that's the Lund Highway. So we're about a quarter of a mile from there. This is our lot up to this road. And we have mulch in here just to see if we can get a little more of a favorable environment for growing things here. And then our lot goes about down to where is it? Right in here, right there. There's a stake in the ground. So that looks like that's kind of the edge of our lot, and then it comes out over here to about right here where this little stake is. There's another one over there, but right here, but I don't think that's ours. I think this is the edge of our property. So it's basically that. It's about an acre. There's a truck zipping by on the road. And the good thing about the shipping container is it gives you some protection from the wind, the cold, the hot. It's insulated, so it's pretty nice inside of there. There's no flooring or anything like that. So it's pretty basic. So anyway, that's what it is.